On a recent LinkedIn poll, the question was raised, which of these do you experience most with your HVAC system? The top answer was hot-cold complaints. Should this be surprising? It was the number one complaint I heard when I was a young building operator way back in 1987. A national study asked executives what they thought would increase workers' productivity. The top answer, with 46% of the executives stating the right temperature in the employee's environment. It makes you wonder if all these temperature concerns in the office space is a result of operational issues. Is one a symptom, the other a cause? Something to ponder this weekend.